When cataloging in bulk using barcoded lot stickers in Listernaut, it's a breeze. You just create a new pod, give it a name, no spaces. From here, what we'll do, we'll click bulk to upload our photos, choose all the photos we want, up to 500 at a time. Our first picture must be the barcoded lot sticker, as you see here, and they must be in a horizontal format. So we'll fix this by rotating that image. Go back up top and click barcode separator as our select mode, and then create lots. What this does is it reads the lot sticker and it writes the lot number automatically for you. So whether you're in or out of order, it does not matter. Then we click update pod. We'll remove that barcode sticker. We don't want that to be our lead image. And you can add more or X out. And then we're going to pick our AI prompt that we've created. You can have as many as you want. Then options analyze, and it's going to write all your titles and description out very quickly here. Click the eyeball icon to do some quality control or review. You can see everything that's gone. You can click the pencil icon to further dive in and see what AI has generated for you. Make any edits you want, then save. From there, you're also able to add a prompt to create a description, a title that you create for customized results. In this case, it's high bid, 50 characters or less. Then we send it back out to our Listernaut account where we can launch it to any platform. Thanks for watching. Hope we can help.